Welcome back, geographers! Today I'm giving you the ultimate guide to scoring high in Cambridge International AS and A-Level Geography 9696. Whether you're sitting papers 1 and 2 at AS or papers 3 and 4 at A2, I'll walk you through the best exam techniques, examples, diagrams, and a full revision checklist. Let's get started. Paper 1. Core Physical Geography Options, AS Level. Based on Cambridge syllabus. With topics such as atmosphere, weather, hydrology, rocks, etc. Short mark questions. Use precise physical geography terms. For example, infiltration, abrasion, lapse rate. For graphs maps, quote exact values plus units. For processes, give one clear step per mark. Medium and long answer questions should begin with a clear definition. For example, mass movement or convectional rainfall. Include simple diagrams where appropriate, such as those showing relief rainfall, river cross-sections, or slope profiles. Use real examples to support your explanations. These could be case studies you have studied, such as landslides in Hong Kong or Nepal, or major rivers like the Mississippi or the Ganges. You might also need to explain weather events, such as those in monsoon regions. Always remember to follow the sequence. Process. Result. Example. Paper 2. Core Human Geography Options, AS Level. Based on Cambridge syllabus. Population, migration, settlement, etc. Short mark questions. Use accurate demographic terms. For example, dependency ratio, fertility rate. You must include numbers plus units, for example percentages, per 1,000 or millions. Keep definitions tight and exam ready. Medium, long questions. Begin with a definition and examples you will use. Use models and diagrams, for example the demographic transition model. Population pyramids, migration models. Use named examples. Countries at different DTM stages, rural-urban migration flows or settlement hierarchy examples. Link everything in 3 stages. Theory. Example. Explanation. Paper 3. Advanced Physical Geography Options, A2 Level. Based on Cambridge syllabus. Topics such as earth processes, hostile environments, hazardous environments, etc. Short mark questions. Use specialist A2 terminology. For example, words like paleomagnetism, isostatic rebound, atmospheric instability, hydrograph recession limb, etc. For resource-based questions, quote precise data from maps, photos, or climate graphs. Identify patterns, anomalies, and spatial relationships. For processes, give clear, sequential steps. For example, volcanic eruption sequence, slope failure mechanics. Medium, long questions. You should start with a definition plus scope of your answer. Use case studies with dates, magnitudes, and impacts. For example, if you explain tectonics, earthquakes, you might use the case study of Tohoku 2011 or Haiti 2010. For volcanoes, Ijavjalajical 2010 or Mount Pinatubo 1991. And for mass movement, Vargas, Venezuela 1999 or Hong Kong in 1966 and after. Include label diagrams, for example for plate boundaries, hazard management cycles, atmospheric circulation. Always link the following ideas: process, impact, management, evaluation. End with a mini-evaluation. For example, with sentences and paragraphs such as the following example. However, effectiveness depends on governance, funding, and long-term monitoring. Paper 4. Advanced Human Geography Options A2 level. Based on Cambridge syllabus. Topics such as globalization, development, environment, production, etc. For short mark questions, remember to use advanced human geography terms like agglomeration economies, global shift, comparative advantage, and food security index. When responding to data, always quote numbers and units. Identify trends, contrasts, and anomalies. And keep your explanations concise. For medium or long questions, begin with a clear definition plus the case studies you will use. Utilize established models and frameworks such as Rostow's model, core periphery theory, global production networks, and sustainable development frameworks. Employ strong case studies. For globalization, consider the Apple supply chain and Shenzhen manufacturing. For development, the Bangladesh garment industry and Rwanda ICT growth. And for food production, Sahel food insecurity or California agribusiness. Structure your paragraphs as point, explanation, example, evaluation. Include simple diagrams such as trade flows, development models, and production chains. Finally, end with a balanced conclusion, considering factors like political stability, investment, and environmental constraints. Student Revision Checklist, Papers 1 to 4. Here is a summary of the main ideas you should remember and review to produce the best possible answers. Before writing, did I read the question twice? Did I underline command words? Do I know if they want example or examples? Do I know the mark value and required detail? Have I chosen relevant case studies? For short mark questions, is my answer direct and concise? Did I include units? Did I show working if needed? Did I avoid unnecessary explanation? Did I use precise terminology? For medium, long questions, did I start with a short introduction? Did I state the examples or case studies I will use? Are my paragraphs clear and focused? Did I link theory plus example plus explanation? Did I add a simple diagram if helpful? Did I include evaluation, especially for A2? Did I finish with a brief conclusion? Other general questions. Am I using geographical vocabulary? Are my examples specific, named, and dated? Are diagrams clear and labeled? Am I sticking to the mark weight? Have I avoided storytelling and stayed analytical? And before you go, here's a visual summary of the key information we've covered. Feel free to pause the video, take a screenshot, or copy anything you find useful. For paper 2. For paper 3. For paper 4. And the student revision checklist. And that is all for this video. Thanks for watching. If you want more revision guides for Cambridge Geography 9696, drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep exploring the world, one case study at a time. And remember, without geography, you are nowhere.